Well, guys, unfortunately, dyno day didn't go as planned. So there's a couple issues that we had at the dyno. It honestly kind of ruined my day. But you know what? It's okay. There could have been worse issues. Today is the day, guys. Today is dyno day for the STI. We're here at the gas station super early. I think I'm gonna pump something like 7 gallons worth of gas, and then we have my VP racing jugs here. They're gonna be filling up with ethanol, about 7.5 gallons. So that should be enough to get us by for the tune. And prior to the tune, we're gonna be going to 2 car meets today. We're gonna be going to Rancho Santa Fe Cars and Coffee, and then we're gonna be going to South OC Cars and Coffee, which is a really cool one. I'm really excited to take you guys along with me. First thing you wanna do to your E85 Child is put him in the back seat and then strap him in so you make sure that he's secure, or they're secure. Sorry, can't assume their gender here. I'm just gonna put a little towel around here because we had trouble earlier with this little spout. It's like leaking all over the place. Now, let's go to the car meet. The infamous Porsche lineup here at RSF. I mean, nothing but Porsches. So you have a 911, another 911, I think a GT3. Yep, GT3 over there. And you have some type of Ferrari right above it. I think this is a Ferrari 418 probably. Not too sure, but it is really nice. Something that I find really interesting, besides seeing obviously really nice cars, is a very clean example of a stock car that is very old, as this Honda. I mean, look how pristine it is. Let's look at the engine bay here. I mean, this is pretty immaculate, especially for its time. I don't know what type of Honda it is, but you guys can let me know down below in the comments. Okay, guys, we're gonna take a look at one last parking lot before we leave and head to South OC. And they usually have pretty good cars in this area. Look at this S2000. Look at that turbo. Holy crap. I think it's huge. Car meet was all right for today. I think obviously the weather definitely affected the turnout here. I don't think it was a bad meet. I've been to way worse. We just got to the next meet. It is still really, really crappy weather. I think that's what's killing my mood. And also, I am honestly just kind of worried about how this car is gonna do on the dyno today. But let's go check out this meet and hopefully we see some cool cars. Beautiful GTR Lamborghini Urus in this super crazy highlighter yellow color. Let's see, we have a McLaren, Ferrari, another Urus. I like this M2. And I do like how they left out this part right here. I think the white looks pretty good. What do you think?
I think the wrap's ugly.
Just it looks like skin. We got another STI, another STI. Really like the hatches. Looks like there's a Type RA over there. Let's see. I do like the Type RA. The only thing is, doesn't make sense to me to pay $50,000 to $60,000 for what's pretty much my car. Somebody just leaked oil all over the floor. Probably a BMW owner. Ooh, this new Ford GT looks sweet. The BMW lineup, really, really like this G82 M4. Always like how these things look, especially in black. Like, what's your favorite car so far?
The green Aston Martin.
The green Aston Martin. That is gonna wrap up the South OC Cars and Coffee meets. A lot of cool cars despite all the rain. Now we are heading up to LA and it's almost dyno time, guys. Oh no, there's a cop right there. And there's the police. Just drove by so slow. So guys, we are in Long Beach. We are about 20 minutes away. This has been a, I guess, ritual for my girlfriend and I here. We're at this place called Tierra Mia. It's like a coffee shop in LA. Not like, it is a coffee shop, but it's a Mexican style coffee shop where they sell Mexican style drinks like frappuccinos that are made out of horchata. That thing is awesome. And they have a really good muffin called Tres Leches muffin. Let me put you guys on. Split it open. I want to see. We want to see what it looks like.
So gooey.
It looks so good. I cannot wait to try this. Yeah.
So good.
It's so good. We're about to get to my tuner right now. I'm going to have to update you guys just in a little bit. There are some administrative things I have to take care of and figure out. And I will give you guys an update on what happens. We ran into the issue where now my car is getting too good of gas mileage. Had a full range of 330 on the way here and we're only down to 260. So we're about to drain all the fuel tank. Oh my God. All right, let me take care of this and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. We just siphoned a ton of fuel out of the STI and holy crap, it was a lot. And then the reason why I guess we were not reading fuel pressure or ethanol content is because I had the wrong map loaded. That's kind of embarrassing. This is it. We're now officially starting, I guess, some pre-calibration stuff. We're not gonna do any passes yet, but I don't know. I'm just honestly really excited and or a little nervous. Well, guys, unfortunately, dyno day didn't go as planned. So there's a couple issues that we had at the dyno. It honestly kind of ruined my day, but you know what? It's okay. There could have been worse issues. The wastegate is either partially stuck open because they can't fully close it. We're only making 8 pounds on the spring. When you disconnect the wastegate, we were trying to overboost. We still only hit 22 pounds. It should be making 25 to 30 pounds. If you guys don't know, you should be making around double of what the spring rate is. So unfortunately, we have a wastegate issue, but however, the guy that rebuilt this car did tell me that one of the issues with bigger stock location turbos is the wastegate flap will often hit the divider for the divorced downpipe. We're gonna plan on taking the downpipe off and also inspecting the wastegate. We might have to pull the turbo when we install our new wastegate, if that is the issue, or it could be the downpipe issue, we don't know yet. But I'm gonna end off this video on a good note. I'm still gonna give you guys a reaction on my first pull on this car. Hopefully things don't blow up or go catastrophic, but also I'm not gonna be dogging on the car right now, because right now things aren't working as intended, so we're gonna take it easy. But my girlfriend and I are just gonna enjoy the rest of the day here in Los Angeles, and then we'll go home, and that's pretty much it. Oh yeah. Oh my God, that was pretty fun. That was pretty fun. Okay, kind of feeling a little disappointed, but not too disappointed. Obviously, you guys can tell I had a ton of fun today still. And the good news is there's more content to film. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and look forward to the next dyno, because the next time we go to the dyno, we're hopefully gonna make definitely over 450 and potentially very close to 500. So take care, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.